Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about operations we can do with numbers. As we have already talked about the numbers in Python, now we'll use Python console rather than code editor in this video. So open your terminal with Ctrl and J or Command and J and then type Python or Python 3. Then you'll be prompted with this screen. Now we'll type our commands here rather than in code editor. Let's write x equals to 10 plus 6 or now and print x, that is 16. We can directly do this by 10 plus 6, that is 16. Now we can also perform operations like 10 minus 6, that is subtraction. We can also do multiplications and division like this. Now you can see we got a floating division value, 10 divided by 3, again float. But if we want the integer value instead of floating number, we'll use double division sign, that is integer division, or 10 divided double divided by 5 or integer division by 5, that is 2. We can also use exponential operation like 10 double asterisk or double star to 3. This is 10 to the power of 3. You can see there. Now the next one is a bit new, or you can say it's modulus 3, that is 10 is divided by 3 and the remainder is what it returns. You can see 10 modulus 3 is 1. If we write 8 modulus 3, we'll get an output of 2, because 8 divided by 3, it is only divisible to 6 and the remainder remains 2. Now we have the next type of number 2. If you are not familiar with it, you can skip this, or if you don't want to learn about complex number, you can skip the rest of the part. That is, in math we have known that it is a plus bi. So in Python we denote this as j, not as I. So this is complex number. Complex number is used in electrical engineering and something more. But if you wanna go or move forward towards web development with Python, you do not need to have complex number, or you do not have to use complex number throughout your journey. So thank you. This was all about operations with number. Thank you. See you in the next video.